Any kind of eye problems you want to heal, any kind of eye problems, is the same procedure. You see, we are used to distinguishing different eye problems with different remedies, but in terms of natural healing, it's always the same principles that will cover any kind of eye issue, which is as follows: clean the sinuses and get the mucus out of the sinuses. Okay, clean all the sinuses, clean the head region, work on your liver. Liver and the eyes are connected. Work on your bowels. When I say work, I mean use herbs. Clean your bowels up. Use enemas. Work on your kidneys and lymphatic system. Your eye problems, all lymphatics and kidney filtration. And use the eyesight tincture, the one I spoke about, twice a day, when you wake up and when you go to bed. Clean the eyes, get the mucus out, help the eyes heal. That's it. Any kind of eye problem, nearsightedness, poor eyesight, eye pressure, you name it. It's all the same principles. Okay, isn't it amazing how the body is so simple? It's so complex to understand, yet its function is so simple that you can follow a few principles and get yourself better. Imagine if you had to fix every single aspect of the body. It would be impossible, right?